Across the country, the grid is under more strain than ever before. Extreme weather, increased demand, and an aging infrastructure mean that outages are becoming more frequent and more expensive. What can you do to prevent your home from losing power when the grid goes down? The answer is simple: whole home energy storage that delivers true independence and peace of mind.
I live in St. Petersburg, Florida. I've lived here for about 5 years. My second year living here in St. Pete, we experienced Hurricane Helene. I was actually away on a work trip and Helene hit. I had 4.5 feet of water inside my house. Some of the neighborhood was out of power for 2 weeks. When the power's out, it really affects everything. Going solar was, beyond just saving money. Saving money for me was the cherry on top, right? But what going solar actually did for me, especially with the battery system, was it gave me control. The control that now I'm not paying the power grid. I'm free from rate hikes in the future. That's a huge impact. And I know with the Lion system, I can pretty much have any power outage and be A-okay.
For Jeremy and his family, the move to solar plus battery storage was an easy choice, especially as energy independence has become more necessary.
Energy independence is a hot topic right now in our country. There is increasing demand for electricity. We see AI data centers, we see technologies emerging, and all of those rely on an increased amount of energy. In order to keep up and bring new capacity, we install solar energy systems and we store that power through energy technology in batteries. Another reason why we see increased interest from homeowners here in the United States for energy storage and resiliency is we see an increased amount of weather-related natural disasters. I don't know that people understand the need for energy storage until they go days or weeks without power. Solar with battery gives you that ability to produce your own clean energy for free. You can collect that energy from the sun. Then from there, instead of sending that energy onto the grid like we used to do, homeowners now have the ability with energy storage systems to store that power. It gives you a microgrid energy system at home.
Ryan and our homeowner Jeremy sit down to discuss how to find the right energy storage system for your space. And it all starts with asking the right questions.
So one of the concerns the missus had, right? Noise. Are these things gonna be noisy when you install?
The way that inverters and battery systems are designed, there is no noise. Unlike traditional gas-powered generators, they don't have any sound or maintenance related to them.
So in the battery system that you're gonna install in the house, does it only work when the power's out?
The system that we'll be installing on your home, it is a whole home energy system. It can be used at all times independent of the energy grid.
When the power does go out here, what is the system that you're gonna install actually powering the home?
This system is designed and engineered to cover your complete home. You will have energy to your EV, you'll have energy to your pool, your air conditioning, and all circuits within the home.
When you guys are done installing, what should I expect with my utility bill?
Now that you are producing and storing your own energy, you don't have a utility bill anymore.
A quality system also requires experienced professionals who understand roofing, electrical systems, and proper installation. Once installed, how does the technology work?
So here behind me, we've installed the Lion Sanctuary Gen 3 energy storage system. With this system, the homeowner is completely independent from the energy grid. They're saving money every month as they run their home, charge their EVs. That energy comes from the sun. And it gives them the ability to save money every month while at the same time giving them the resiliency and independence that they need.
And so installing the Lion battery system, it's been nothing but great. It was actually really funny. I was leaving my house the other day and there's a couple utility trucks and they were, fixing the line, and I just rolled down my window and asked if everything's okay. And he said, yep, we're just trying to get the power up and running for you guys. And I kind of just chuckled because I didn't experience any of it. My lights didn't flicker or anything. I had no idea. And it was worth every penny at that point.
Here at Lion Energy, we truly believe in your life, your power, your way.
Energy storage is more than energy necessity. It's about protecting what matters. Stay powered longer. Visit lionenergy.com/TV or find out more at designingspaces.tv.